Hello everyone, ABAQUS tutorial lesson 27. How to define different interaction property in general contact. Let's begin. Open your software file directory and the work. Today is June 5. Okay. Click. Okay. Create a simple part. Solid 10 10 10. Right, 10 10 10. Very simple part. Okay. 10 10 10 millimeter. Okay. Material. I don't care. 2E5 ABAQUS portion ratio. Okay, enough. Okay, assembly, copy. Okay, for part. I will show you general contact. General contact have contact interaction property. For example, this surface have one interaction property, but this interaction surface is another contact property. How to realize it? Okay, I will show you, no problem. Very easy. It is very easy to study. Believe me. Static general. I confirm the pronunciation.
General.
Okay, no problem. You should define the surface name. Okay. Like this. Style. Shift. Click. Okay. Define the up surface name. Surface create. Surface up. Okay. Do the same operations. Shift. Define surface down. Okay. Property general. Penalty, for example. Okay. This surface interaction property is property 2. Another frictionless. Okay. I will show you. Oh, the step I'm not confirmed. Initial general contact. Continue. Okay. 1 2 3 is this property, and surface up, surface down, property 2. Okay, it's very easy to study, right? Okay. Machine. I only show you the operation. I will not compute. I will not compute. Okay. Did you follow me? Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. How to define different interaction property in general context. I have showed you. Okay. This is my. What's up? This is my WeChat. You should better download WeChat app so you can contact me frequently. Any question, if I know, I will tell you. No problem. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.